Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video of MongoDB database. In this video, I will show you how to create collection and how to insert record in collections. If you don't know how to create new user for database, I already explained in video. You can find link of that video in description. So let's go for today's task. Go to MongoDB shell and type use uni. Basically, uni is a user that we created in our previous video. We are switched to DB uni. Now we will create collection for uni database. Now you can see this is schema of university management system. We will make database of university management system. First of all, we will create collection for students. Now press enter. You can see OK one. This means our collection for student is created successfully. Now we will insert record in student collection. We will insert record according to university management system schema. So open university management system schema. Now we will enter student records. For example, student ID, first name, last name, gender, age, contact, student mail and student password. Then again go to command prompt and enter student dot insert many. Now we will start inserting record in student collection. First of all, we have student ID. Student ID. We will assign student ID as 1. After student ID, we will insert record for first name and last name. First name is F name, first name is Smart, and last name is Brands. After last name, we will insert gender. After gender, we will insert record for age. Contact will be 1 2 3 4. That's okay. And last is password. Password will be again ABC. We insert record for one student. Now we will insert record of another student. Simply we will copy above statement and paste and change student ID. Student ID to name something John Brands. Age will be 23. Contact will be 1 2 3 3 3 and password is ABBCC. We have insert record of two students. In this case, we only insert record of two students. You can insert record of many students. Now we will close our brackets and press enter. Acknowledge true. Insert record successfully. Now we will check our record is inserted or not. This statement will show you all records in student collection. We have student 1, first name Smart, second name Brains, and another student, student 2, first name John, and second name Brains. We have successfully inserted two records in student collection. Like student collection, you can insert record in any collection that you have shown in student management system schema. Now we will insert record for subject. First of all, we need to create another collection named subjects. We will name our new collection as subject. Our new collection created successfully. Now we will insert record in our new collection. You need to copy this command and paste as it is. Change the name from student to subject. Now we will insert record in subject collection. For example, we have a subject ID, name, and course ID. First of all, we have subject ID. We will assign subject ID as 1. Now we have subject name. Finally, we have course ID. Course ID is 1. Now we will insert another subject detail. Simply you need to copy above command or press upper arrow button. We will make some changes. At place of marketing, we will enter computer. Change subject ID to 2. Click OK. Close brackets. Then we have created another collection successfully. Now we will show our collection. First of all, we will show our all collection. We have two collections, subject and student. If you want to find the record of all subjects, you can enter this command db.subject find and press enter. Now we have two subjects. One is marketing and second is computer. Like this, you can create collection for transaction, schedules, instructor, and courses, and insert record in these collections. So that's all for today. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and share it with your friend who is learning database management system or MongoDB. Thank you for watching.